little stuff like that. Like, sometimes I still have my back happy. But, like, you done made a move. This game, you were supposed to have to fight that shit. I was going to jump on one dribble. I was still doing my thing. It's a half.
Guys,
He's like, right.
Julius,
He's trained like that. Try to train him.
it's a third game against Lions versus Presidents. Two teams without wins. Someone's gonna get their first win today.
I was there when he was beating Wayne. He's the Let's go, guys!
Let's go.
We got 8. How many we got? Sit up. We got 8.
We got 8, yeah.
We got 8. 5? I need 5, guys.
Yeah, they get 5.
They got 5?
I got 5 here. He's your new referee?
No, he's high school. He does high school. He's new too, but he's good. He was on training.
That's why I like it because a little bit like it because didn't really like to pull power. Like all the time, like foul. Let's go, guys, let's go. Oh, Alex, you're short. You're not short. Short. Bill. It's time for me and for you. It's time. Assist by Alex. Adam. Cirilo. To Marcus. Lucia Cortina. Good. Rebound by Bill. Who's foul?
Black 14.
Seven first goes now foul. First team foul. President. Adam shooting for 2 free throws. Number 2.
Black 2.
San first personal foul. She's not team foul. First personal foul, Alex, 13 foul. Adam for 3.
Now give the ball to the ref, guys.
It's a dead ball, give it to the ref.
Sons, get ready, sons! Get ready, sons!
San Fernando. Ibang by 2 points. 6 by 3. Alvin. Alex Fernando. Ibang Brazil. Again, Alex Fernando. Ibang Brazil. Number 2, assist by Sean.
Sons, 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 sons! Sons! They don't have no silver.
Substitution.
They don't have no silver.
White sub, white
There's none, there's none, there's none.
Oh, sub.
They only have 5. Go black!
Go black, go black. No, you need to. Yari, yapon 3 si Kwame, wala mo magkita. Wala, eh. Wala, hindi ka sa muslingan. Yang ilyos. Oo, na yung ilyos. Sulingan na. Ang gusto mo yun. 7-6. Arden. Steal by 4. 14, no good.
Right, Julius, I'll see you next week. All right, that's it, all right? Take care, bro.
Again, he's running by Davis. Seven, 6, 1 point lead by Marlins. Time remaining 3 minutes, 50 seconds in first quarter. 1 point lead, 1 point lead. 7-6. John, the ball. Come up. John, block! By Aaron. Whoa, 3 points by Apo. 9-7. Game favor, 2 point lead by President. So black team. Arvin for 3, no good. From Evan. One foul. Number 6. Adam. First personal by Adam. 13 foul. I mean, first team foul Marlins. Whitey. Chucky shooting for 2 free throws. Maybe by Chucky. Oh, you know, my right leg is like has no cover, like no support. I don't know. Like too old. That's why. It's cold. It's cold. Cold. Bay. Yung tuhod ako bay dili bay murag mo stiff ba murag bugay murag pick up. Because of cold. Sign of age. Sign of age of cold. Who's foul? Black. Chucky.
I don't blame him.
Chucky. Bay. Bay, lang bay. Chucky first personal foul, 14 foul. President for Chucky. And plays up. 2 minutes in first quarter. Just one.
Bay, dili si Billy bay. Dami ba?
Bay, ang tuhod si Bay. Murag mo stiff ba? Murag mo gay mo lang. Inigliyap na murag. Yung para, it's like, I don't have a...
Okay, kung ano sa mga nego?
I don't know, bro. No, what? No, but that's it.
9, Kills, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9. Bigyan lang, bigyan lang. Kanina?
Wala ba yun? Wala na dito ba? Tumutulog ba? Tugnaw. Again, Shan. Nandun na Shan. Hindi pa making gusto. Apollo. Shan. Shan, Chucky, good for 2 by Chucky. Shan. Chucky, 2 points. 11-9, 2 point lead by President. Oh, block again by Aaron. Another 2 point lead by Lucky by President. Mendoza for 3, no good. Rebound is needed. First personal foul, 15 foul President. Eleven up. And first quarter. Score is 12-11. 1 point lead by Marlins. On White. San Cortino, Ivan Bajer. Game, waiting for technical white team. 14-11, 3-point lead by Marlins for white team. Eric for 3, bang! Assist by Alex. 14 up, 14 on. Adam, no good, big one by San. Bill, Saki, no good. Yeah, 14 up. Alex for 3, no good. Oh, good for 2 by Alex. Case favor, 2-point lead by Black Team or President. 16-14, score 16-14, time remaining 10 minutes, second quarter. No good by Mark, rebound by Sanchez. Oh, well, yeah, by Alex. Again, Iron, ball. Arvin. One ball. One hit? No, this one. Stretch. Wow! No good. Rebound by Jackson. No good again. No good. 91. Foul. Bell. First personal foul. 16 foul. Warning for penalty. Oh, black again! Black party by Aaron. Oh, good two by Sarilo. And Johnson, good for two by Sarilo. 2016, 4-point lead by President for Black Team. Arvin. Now a pass by Aaron Holloway. I don't have a force here. It's only my right leg. So when I lay up, I just it's not I think my calf. Come here. that you're referring right now.
Oh, what a pass. Mark. Jump shot by Mark Espanyol. By Marcos Espanyol. Good by Alex. Rebound by Jackson Bertino. Santos second personal foul. Penalty. Every foul is 22 people.
Subs, get ready, subs!
Get ready to stop, guys. Ready to stop. Black team. If you want to-
Subs!
Stop.
Subs, black!
Stop. Stop, Mendoza. Go inside. Chucky, did Aaron get out?
Not yet.
Not yet, yeah, you have to stop. Stop.
Time out.
Aaron must get out. You need to sit down because you're 8. Son,
Hey, you gotta sit up a little bit.
yeah, sit up for 6 minutes.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah. Mendoza to Alex. Alex, good for two.
Go, man! I see you!
Assist by Mendoza. 24-19. Assist by Mark Cirillo. 24-21, 3-point lead by Black Team for President. Good by Yana. Rebound by Sean.
Cut!
Good foul. Marcos Espanyol. First personal foul. Second team foul. White team. Good by Alex. Assist by Cirillo, 2 points by Cirillo. Score is 25-20, 2-point lead. 2-point lead by Black Team or President. Time remains 3 minutes 14 seconds. Richard for 3. 5-point lead by Black Team or Presidents. And jump shot, and again.
Nice! Hell yeah! Alright! Go! Way to go, Alex. Oh, good board. Hella strong. Let's go. Let's go, Quinn. Let's go. Pushing. Hey, rebound. Jump.
Team foul.
There you go.
24-32. Ace one lead by Black Team. 32-24.
Hey, you do it again. Hey, you do it again. Oh, shoot. That's fine. There you go. Delay a game. Oh, yeah.
Take it down, 2 points.
2 points what?
Yeah, 2 points. It's a 2 points.
Delay a game. Let the ball go, guys. Let the ball go.
Guys, you know how to do that.
Hey, you can hear the game.
37-27. 10-point lead by Presidents.
I think I got my cup.
Thanks.
That's why I can't. My cup, like, it's like I don't have a, I don't have a force
Hey, you said you want to do it again?
my right left knee. I think my cup from my cup. Like, what do you say? I don't know what's going on. Like, there's something like up in my.
Hell no, I don't think I do that. Henry, is there another game after this or last one?
No, there's a one last
More after?
Yan, kasama nila yan. Bye, kasama din. That's the teammates. That's the teammates. James don't move, pick down guy. No one picks down like six round. He pick what? He does pick the 6th round. Here, that's the guy. Ryan Nelson. You don't pick him. You don't pick him. That guy? Big guy. Hey, 6'2". You know, 6'6" here. Only Andrew Hanlon for the two. He's the tallest.
calling your possession, you ain't losing.
That's the hardest thing to explain.
I said that too, and I said something similar, like, well, it didn't affect you, strike the shot all the time. He's like, well, what if I would have missed? I was like,
You know, the ball. But if you still have the ball in your hand, why am I going to stop the ball? Why am I going to stop the play? You're last thing. You only got to have that's why am I going to call?
yeah, they call everything, no bad break.
Yeah, so little shit like that. And how will every time you win,
Grabbing a hair ball.
They think it's like you could like if you shoot an air ball on the that's like him side and you
Right.
you dribble top.
Right.
Short thing right. I didn't know you were getting short.
Ryan.
Into Mark. Ryan. Time to Sergeant. To Mark. Over again. Rebound by Bill. Score is 40-27. 29-40. Twenty-two, 29, 20, Vice President. And so Sevilla comes out. Third personal foul, Sam, from third. First team foul, President. Stand for three, bang! Assist by Alex. Score is 45-32. 18-20 by Business. Espanyol, Sevilla comes out. Rebound by San. Oh, what a pass by Alex. Oh, good. Second personal foul. Team foul. Again, Adam 14. Oh, good. Oh, what a pass by Bill. Pagmotor. Alex! 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 You need to drive motorcycle daw. Oh, wow. Wow. Bill. Second personal foul. 13 foul. Presence. Time remaining, 7 minutes, 20 seconds in third quarter. Ready for sub, black team. White team. Oh, no white team. Fresh kayo sa schedule. You have to watch because I cannot, I'm using the, you know, 13:45, 12-point lead. Kevin, let me go. We'll do that good. Aaron Holloway, third personal foul. That's 14 foul. Ready for sub.
Hey!
Third personal foul, Aaron Holloway.
Sub, get ready, Sub. Sub.
Oh, Brian din. Brian from Bito. You got 3. Hear me, bay. Hala, saan bay? What's the name? Seventh round.
You should let that one. I know. You should let that one go.
Seventh round. I don't know. Misubal na siya kay Bago.
Oh?
Seventh round na.
Sa?
Wala gipit ni Bod. Kayo.
So, ito ba?
Kaya lagot.
Right. Sub na.
Brian from Bito. Sila. O ba sila? Sila lagi pinakadagko. Dagko.
Ana ba? Level ka na.
Time out. What's wrong? Injury?
Can I come in?
Yeah.
Injury.
Alex? Achilles.
Wow.
Cup. Still cup.
Right, crap.
Sila may pinakadagko lagi.
Balance.
Sila may pinakadagko ba eh. Pero ang ang taas, ito si Juan, sila si Danny kay ay si Andrew naman 6'3", siya may pinakataas.
Balance po sila. Ginamit ko si Condut.
Napagin si Don nila.
Ako ba? Siguro.
Fourth personal foul, Aaron. Fourth personal foul. Nice. Fourth. Chucky, fourth. 5 team fouls. Presidents, 5 team fouls. Average rate for 2 free throws.
Bye.
Maybe it should be Jim Tumbo. He's the one who picked him. I don't know Jim. I don't know about Jim. Oh, 2 points again. 2 points by Arvin. 47-40. 7-point lead. 7-point lead. Only by Pangasinan President. We're only in third quarter, guys. 3 minutes, 54 seconds.
Kumpiyansa, oh, kumpiyansa. 7-point lead. Yeah.
White 6.
Adam, second personal foul. First team foul, minus. 7-point lead.
I got a game in the South. You always give me schedules where it's the same time.
You only got 7 points.
It doesn't matter. I know, but it's not my fault.
What league?
48-40. 8-point lead.
Ano liga ba? What league is it? The league. Kuya.
Severo. 6-point lead. 6-point lead. 42-48. 6-point lead. Stanford team here. 6 by Aaron. 42-40. 51. 9-point lead.
White 30.
White 30. Foul, Arvin. First personal foul. 2 minutes, 8 seconds in third quarter.
Hindi na bata na rin. 39 na rin. Yung magulang niya mo 14. Katong leading scorer. 10 points.
Wow! Good foul. John, first personal foul. One.
Ito na simula out na ba? Okay. 10 lang yun. Hindi, 11 man mo. Nabay dagan, minutito ba? Naiwiting na shooter na taas-taas. Naiwiting. Ayun siya ba? Ang una ng kliro. Taas-taasin mo ba? Yung team. Wala kaya sa mga tanong doon. Pinarang ba mo naman? Naiwiting. Ano mo gusto din na? Oh, ini sa Jack. Nag-bundle ka na. Train na din. Kaya tayo duwa ka mo. Then harassing the white team, when harassing the black team, di ba point guard? Point guard the black team. Look at them. Go. Five. 2 points yan kasi maliit eh. Pero coming naman yung jersey mo.
Let's go, guys! Go! Let's go! White ball! White ball!
Right, hey, one minute. That, like. Start. Good. Number 3. Good.
Ahmed, number 2. 8-point lead. 8-point lead. 54-46. Score is 57-46. John, Sevilla. Do again. Rebound by Bill. Rebound again by Sevilla. By shot assist by Sevilla. 48-57, 9-point lead, 9-point lead. 10 minutes, 25 seconds. 20 seconds, shot clock. 15 seconds, shot clock. Shot clock. 10. Traveling. Traveling. by shot clock. And 20 seconds shot clock. Number 2, Cirilo again, 27 points. 27 points by Cirilo. 50-57, 7-point lead only. Lot of time, 9 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter. So Capela, no good. Rebound. Capela again. Oh, buhay na ba? Here's the shot. Oh, it's here again. Good by Mendoza.
Touch it! You can touch it!
You can touch it.
You can touch it! He didn't touch a ring. Huh? I think he didn't touch a ring. He could touch it. No, he could touch it. He could touch it. He could touch it and dribble it again. It's not a travel. It has to be a.
59-52, 7-point lead.
It has to be a shot attempt. He could touch it
8
again.
minutes, 47 seconds. Time remaining, fourth quarter.
Even though it's not, it didn't hit the rim. Even though if it's a shot attempt, you could touch it. You could get your own rebound and dribble it. There's a new rule.
Whoa! 2 points, hit by Bill.
But it has to be a shot attempt. Yeah, that was a shot attempt, so yeah.
It's okay if he grabs it back and then
He could grab it and he could dribble it again. It's not double dribble. It's not traveling either.
Rebound by Cirilo.
As long as it's a shot attempt, it's not a violation.
Marvin, Marvin.
A lot of people don't know that though.
what we know is when you shot it and then it doesn't hit the ring and you got it back, it's double.